The second complication of the ketogenic diet is constipation. Constipation is very common in all the individuals who are on the ketogenic diet. And the reason is ketogenic diet is very low in fiber, and due to very low fiber intake, constipation can occur. And according to a research done on 48 children who were on the ketogenic diet, a research was done on 48 children who were on the ketogenic diet, and these children were followed from 2003 to 2012. And research showed that constipation was present in all the children, in all 48 children who were on the ketogenic diet. And another complication is it can lead to nephrolithiasis, that is, a kidney stone can occur due to intake of ketogenic diet. But this research shows that kidney stone was diagnosed only in one children, and when potassium citrate was given to that children, then kidney stone nephrolithiasis was recovered once the potassium citrate was given to that children. And the most important, ketogenic diet can lead to deficiency of 17 micronutrients. Ketogenic diet can lead to, it is reported that ketogenic diet can lead to deficiency of 17 micronutrients. And four micronutrients, that is phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin D and calcium. These four micronutrients are actually responsible for bone metabolism. And the ketogenic diet is very low, provides suboptimal level of all these micronutrients. And due to deficiency of these micronutrients, osteoporosis can occur. Patients who are taking ketogenic diet are at risk of osteoporosis. The reason is the most important micronutrients that are responsible for the metabolism of bone, for the synthesis of bone, are absent, are very low in the ketogenic diet. And the person, epileptic individuals, epileptic patients who are on the ketogenic diet are at increased risk of the osteoporosis, because anti-epileptic drugs affect the metabolism of vitamin D, and vitamin D is responsible for the homeostasis, to maintain the homeostasis of potassium and calcium and phosphorus, and that ultimately maintain the bone metabolism. So when there is altered vitamin D metabolism due to anti-epileptic drugs, osteoporosis can occur. Then this ketogenic diet actually can lead to deficiency of selenium. The death of two children was reported that were on the ketogenic diet, and post-mortem examination showed that it was due to severe selenium deficiency. And severe selenium deficiency lead to cardiomyopathy in those children. The death of two children was reported due to cardiomyopathy, and their post-mortem examination showed it's due to severe selenium deficiency. So the patient who are on the ketogenic diet, selenium deficiency can occur. And vitamin C, severe vitamin C deficiency can also occur when the person is on ketogenic diet, because a 9 years old child who are on the ketogenic diet was diagnosed with scurvy. So the vitamin C, severe vitamin C deficiency can also occur when the person is on ketogenic diet. And another thing that's most important, that keto flu can occur, and in some individuals keto flu can occur in first 1 to 2 weeks after following the ketogenic diet. And this flu is occurred due to because our body takes time to adopt this metabolic transition. That is why keto flu can occur, and the keto flu symptoms include these are the symptoms of keto flu. M stand for lack of motivation, D stand for dizziness. S stand for sugar craving. I stand for irritability. N for nausea. C for muscle cramping. F stand for fatigue. H for headache. And F stand for brain fog. That is a lack of brain focus. Brain fog can also occur. So these are the basic keto flu symptoms that can appear in the person who is on the ketogenic diet in first 1 to 2 weeks. And that these symptoms are, that is, M stand for lack of motivation, D for dizziness, S for sugar craving, I for irritability, and nausea, muscle cramping, fatigue, headache, and brain fog. These are the complications that can appear when the person is on the ketogenic diet. So before the start of ketogenic diet, you must consult with any dietitian. So the proper screening before the start of the ketogenic diet can be done. There must be proper screening before the start of ketogenic diet, especially the level of triglyceride and cholesterol must be checked. The level of these micronutrients can be checked, especially selenium, zinc, vitamin C, and other micronutrients level must be done. There must be nutritional assessment before the start of this ketogenic diet. And another important thing, that chemistry profile must also be assessed, and especially the level of carnitine. This one, it's most important that carnitine level must be assessed before the start of ketogenic diet, because this carnitine actually transport long chain fatty acids into the mitochondria for the beta oxidation for energy production. And this when there is a deficiency of this carnitine, carnitine actually is an amino acid that its source is animal protein. It actually comes from animal protein. And when there is a deficiency of this carnitine, then long chain fatty acid transport into the mitochondria will not occur. And when the transport of these long chain will not occur, then energy production will not occur. So its level must be assessed before the start of the ketogenic diet. So in short, we have discussed about the health benefits of ketogenic diet. Now we discuss about the complications of ketogenic diet. So along with the health benefits, there are a lot of complications of the ketogenic diet. So before the start, if you are willing to start the ketogenic diet, you must consult with any dietitian. So personalized ketogenic diet can be recommended.